Birds are endothermic vertebrates which present the development of feathers, just to regulate their temperature, and as well to fly like the main evolutive adaptation, because their forelimbs are modified as wings. At the beginning, the naturalists organized birds in a group that was after flying fishes, but many investigators were not agree with this, and they thought in another kind of ancestor. The presence of phalanges in birds pointed that they come from tetrapod animals, and was by this that the scientists and naturalists from that era started to believe that birds were originated from a reptile, but this theory was just accepted in 1861, when a group of paleontologists found out in a mountain from Germany region to the organisms that present the bonded features between reptiles and birds. It was named Archaeopteryx lithographica.
The feathers are the most visible features of birds because these are present in the process of flying and in the thermoregulation. Therefore, in reproductive stage, they are used for the courtship. For this reason, some birds present colors really awesome. The beak is the equivalent of the limbs in mammals, conformed by a protector cover of a corneal substance to the premaxillar and nasal bones, and therefore the jaw, this substance, grows constantly to compensate its warmth. In Cetaceous birds and in some pigeons, the base of the beak is recorded for a fleshy membrane which surrounds the nasal holes, the skulls of metatarsals and fingers, and epidemic cornified plates, as the ones of the reptilians.
The evidences of the bird's evolution from dinosaurs they can be observed in the following changes. Bird present feathers, white hair, elongation of reptile scales. The class Maniraptora of dinosaurs present a separation of the forelimbs from the soil, and in this class there is evidence of feathers in dinosaurs. The Archaeopteryx lithographic present a long tail of dinosaurs, a big white serrated disc of dinosaurs of opposite allows in each hind limb a five or long wings, although these animals called free.
Spatial distribution of birds is really diverse because most of them can fly, and to reach diverse environments is not a trouble for them. They are present in deserts, in tropical forests, and some of them can live in mud. The ecological niches that these birds develop in the environment are diverse. Exist predators birds, where are outstanding the falconiformes, birds with curved beaks, and a great vision for hunting. The scavengers, where are outstanding the Cataridae, family of birds that develop the action of eating of dead animals. And more of them. Exist the ones of the nocturnal avid aquatics, the ones that cannot fly, and the effective swimmers.